Efficient payment collection is one of the most important factors for healthy cash flow management in SME manufacturing businesses. Typically, if you deal in capital goods, equipments, turnkey projects where there are a number of payment milestones. One of the important factors to help payment collection is to negotiate better payment terms during order finalization. We try hard to protect our price, but when it comes to payment terms, we tend to compromise and take unwarranted risks till we learn the lessons the hard way. When you finalize orders, make sure you cover your risks and negotiate cash flow friendly terms. First is increase your demand of advance payment. For example, if you have been asking 20%, start asking 40% or 50%. For small equipment, start with 100%. Second is demand some percentage against design, engineering, drawings, etc. Third is negotiate for pro-rata basis instead of milestone basis. This way, you are entitled to get paid for part supply and don't have to wait for the entire supply as per the milestone. Fourth is decide billing breakup so that they cannot hold back a big sum for a small item. Fifth is, while quoting and finalizing the payment terms, take into consideration the cash gap calculations. Next is negotiate 100% advance for the part or the total scope if, for example, we have to import from overseas vendors who demand upfront payment from you. Seventh is try to maintain negative cash gap. That means you collect before you pay. Next one is include clauses to protect your interest in case of delays at customer's end or due to force majeure or things beyond your control. Point number 9 is avoid accepting retention clause. If we have to accept, then we should negotiate some arrangement with our bank to provide bank guarantee limit at low margins. And the last one is remember, if you don't take your terms seriously, then no one else will. Hope this helps you collect payments faster. Thank you.